everyone, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's prepare this cool pink lemonade which you can enjoy in hot summer days. Take 1 cup lemon or lime juice, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup cranberry juice, 1 cup pink sugar, lemon slice, 2 cups water, and small bottle of Sprite. Now take 1 pitcher and add lemon juice, sugar, cranberry juice, and water. Stir it well and keep it in refrigerator to get it cold. To rim glasses, apply lime juice to the border of the glass and dip it in the pink sugar. When you are ready to serve, add cold Sprite in the pitcher and serve immediately. This will give you 6 full servings. If you are making to serve in parties or get together, multiply quantity accordingly. This lemonade is kids friendly, but adding your choice of vodka, Moscato, sparkling wine will give the classic pink sip and adult spin. So that's it for today's video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care friends. Bye bye.